Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Wi-Fi calling not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix this issue? Then you have first solution, you have check the network support. So then you have used Wi-Fi or cellular data, so you have check the network support. Then you have provide internet access or not avoid. So then you have check first solution, you have check the network support. Then second solution, you have restart your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then your iPhone is automatically restart, and then your problem will be fixed. Then third solution, you have enable and disable Wi-Fi calling. So then you have use the Wi-Fi. So then you have enable and disable, then your problem will be fixed. Then other solution, you have turn off aeroplane mode. So then you have aeroplane mode is turn on and off 2 times. So then your problem will be fixed. If there are this solution is not working, there are other solution, you have connect to different Wi-Fi network. So then you have connect another network, so you have disconnect from the Wi-Fi, and then you have other network connect, and then your problem will be fixed. Then last solution, you have reset network settings. So you have again open the setting and click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset iPhone. So then you have click on reset network setting, iPhone given a passcode, and then you have taken a passcode, and then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then reset network setting automatically done, and then do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset network setting, and then your problem will be fixed. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. So I will request to my all friends, please subscribe my and share my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not forget my YouTube channel, subscribe. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.